Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So today, that is 30th of April, I'll be coming up live onto my YouTube channel Fun with Data Science at 10 p.m. in the night. So this will be a live stream into which we'll be covering and making up some cool Python projects, and that's so with the help of some libraries in Python. And that projects actually you'll be able to add them into your resumes, showcase them into the resumes, and that will be a sort of one which will help you stand out from the other people resumes. Right, so the project is going to be about in the Python programming language only, and bookmark your calendar for today, that is 30th of April, 10 p.m. in the night, only onto the channel Fun with Data Science. And the link for the live stream is mentioned in the description box. Go ahead, check that out and set on your reminder so that half an hour before the live stream you get the notification and you do not forget to join me live. So I'll see you there in the live stream today at 30th April 10 p.m. in the night.